We just released personalized payment links. The new update allows users to create and send personalized payment links via email and SMS, streamlining the payment process and increasing efficiency. There are a ton of benefits for this, so let's go over a few of those. First of all, this is going to simplify payments. Send personalized payment links directly from within the CRM. You'll also have customization options. You can now configure your own email and SMS template, or you can use one of the defaults. It's going to also increase payment success. Pre-filled customer data ensures faster and easier transactions. When it comes to practical use, this has a ton. Let's just say when a small business owner wants to quickly invoice multiple clients, they can generate and send personalized payment links directly from the CRM, ensuring each client receives a tailored link with pre-filled information. Let me show you exactly where to find this within the system. First of all, you need to create a new payment or you need to edit one. So to do that, you need to be in Payments in the left-hand navigation, and then in the upper navigation, you want to go to Plus Payment Links. Now you're going to create a new payment link, or you're going to click the three-dot kebab on an existing payment link, and you're going to go to Edit Link. Now from there, I'm going to have you access the link. So you're going to simply go in and copy that link. That is the Copy Send button in the upper right-hand corner. Now you're going to copy the link, or you're going to get a personalized link. So you can click on Copy Link, and then from there, you have the choice to get a personalized payment link for your contact. You can also send to multiple contacts. So that will be the Send to Contacts button that is highlighted in this screenshot. And then we're going to go to Select Contacts, and we'll select those contacts and we'll go ahead and send. Now let's access links auto-filled within our Conversations area. So you can see what you have sent out as a conversation under the Conversations tab. You can also do this by looking at the individual contact that you sent something out to. In this view, we're under Conversations. So we can actually see the conversation that went out. It says, "Hey there, we have an exciting offer for you. Grab it by visiting the following link." What's cool about this is in this example, this is being used as a marketing tactic. What a cool way to do this. So it could be an invoice, it could be a special offer, it could be a lot of different options that you have. Now let's go ahead and view the pre-filled contact details. This is what opens up when they open up that link. Now we have test 2 and tested all of this stuff, but this would be the actual first name, last name, and email address, phone number if you have that in your file, as well as any additional details. That is going to be coming directly from that contact that you linked to this custom payment link. Now create a new email template or edit one. So this is where we can really customize our template. So to do this, you're going to go to Marketing, and then you're going to go to Emails, and then you want to drop down into Templates. You're going to click the plus new, or if you prefer, you can also go and edit something you've already started to create. From there, you're going to go ahead and open that up and then add the payment links for the custom value of payment link. Now you can add any text templates or snippets. So you're going to go into Templates, which is also templates with snippets, and then you're going to add the text template or snippet from there. Now we're going to add the payment link that with the custom value. So that is going to be under custom values and then payment link. The personalized payment link feature enhances payment processing, efficiently improves the user experience by automating and simplifying the transaction process right within your CRM. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.